Hi, everybody. This is the Digital Experience Optimization Group's iteration planning for February 12th to 25th. It is our first iteration together, so it's going to be exciting. We got new labels. We're green now, like a nice forest green. So I'll go ahead and read off what I'm working on for the next iteration. I'm out next week, starting on Monday. So I'm only going to be here for this week. So my board's a little bit later, but the first thing I want to work on is trying to organize our engineering work for our OKRs this quarter. Just trying to get the epics all organized and getting issues created so that we can plan out future iterations. The next one is we have never deleted a review app in Buyer Experience. So we have probably thousands still around. So to clean those up, and that should speed up the pipeline and everything else. And then to remove some remaining www solutions in dev stages, DevOps lifecycle pages. That's a tongue twister. That's it for me. I'll pass it up to Miracle, who's not here today, but I'll read. And the first thing is just to finish up a Nevadic video. I don't know too much about that. Sorry, Lauren. But to finish up some of that and then hand it off to Miguel. And then there's some contentful improvements for some of the pages. And then to wrap up a OneTrust cookie preference text for California users. And then TMA, who's also out, I think it's a holiday, is going to translate or move some of the translations over from Buyer Experience to Contentful. So the small business page and the startups pages. And then also work on some dedicated page contentful improvements. And I'm going to hand it off to Trevor.
Awesome. All right. So for design this iteration, I'll be supporting Brian Mason with some updates to our security and compliance solution page. I'll be working with Lorena on some holistic AI strategy work for our solution Epic, as well as getting started on analytics needs for our solution pages, which will be in support of our solutions refresh Epic. I also have a few confidential issues, which I can't speak to just yet. So that'll be it for me, and I'll pass it over to John.
Thank you. For this iteration, I'm going to keep in review state the landing beta program join page is in review state, but we need to advance and move to the MVC2 stage of this page. Also, I'm working on the events pages improvements. I'm going to improve and refactor these pages to improve the way we fetch contentful data. I'm going to create a mixin to ensure that the search listener, in order to the search to work, I'm going to ensure that all layouts in Buyer Experience uses this listener and makes the search work in all these layouts. And as well, I'm going to do the GitLab, why GitLab Duo landing page. And that's it for my iteration. Next one is Mateo.
Thank you, John. First, I have a couple of issues regarding metadata for the blog. There are some unparsable data going into the head of the blog pages, and also the schema org blog image URL is invalid, so I will be fixing that. Then I will be moving localized content of the install page into Contentful, and also looking into how we can know exactly what changed when something is published in Contentful. And that's it for me. I'll pass it back to Lauren.
Sweet. Here we go. Optimization group. Let's see what we can do. We'll see you in 2 weeks.